The Ethiopian Coffee and Tea Authority says, the upcoming 4th China International Import Expo will serve as a good platform to further boost the ever-growing Chinese market for Ethiopian coffee. The 4th CIIE is scheduled to take place from November 5th to 10th in Shanghai, creating a platform for companies from around the world to display their products, promote their brands, and find more business partners in the world's second-largest economy. In an exclusive interview with Xinhua, Shafi Umar, the Deputy Director General of the Ethiopian Coffee and Tea Authority, said CIIE would facilitate interaction between Ethiopian exporters and Chinese potential buyers of the East African countries' coffee, further enhancing coffee exports to China.
This year we are registering our exporters, so we participate like as an association and also as Ethiopian Coffee and Tea Authority. So because this is a very good market, it's the top 10, it is in top 10 markets, then we are able to participate in this China's markets or in China's exhibitions. So it is opportunity for China because they get quality coffee that from our country. Yes. So this is really a good opportunity to enhance, to boost our market. The China market has a huge market. Because we discussed many times with the China buyers, also many leader of companies come to and discuss, signed everything with them.
Ethiopia is known for its organic coffee and is the epicenter of Arabica coffee. According to the Ethiopian Coffee and Tea Authority, in the previous 2020 to 2021 fiscal year, Ethiopia earned $906 million through exports of 248,000 tons of coffee.